What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com. Today, as you can see, we have a video about how to make $100 a day with Twitter ads. And of course, as with everything with Debaroo, we are talking about affiliate marketing. Essentially, how can we sell affiliate products using Twitter ads to get up to $100 every single day? And it's definitely possible to scale past that $100 a day as well. You know, if you can make it to 100, then you can make it to 500 and maybe even 1,000 after that, because there's a lot of people on Twitter. I always get excited when, I talk about traffic sources that are not mentioned as much and maybe not used as much, because it presents a huge opportunity for anybody that wants to, carve a new path into a new advertising section. And nobody really talks about Twitter ads. It's not that it's new. Twitter's been around for a really long time, and they've had their ads platform for a while as well. Of course, there's some best practices that you should be aware of when you're creating your Twitter ads. So I'm going to hop right into it, but before I do, I just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK forum. Okay, so I'm going to go over these bullet points that I have here, and this is going to help us understand how we can get to $100 a day. So we have to think about our audience, and once we know, what kind of audience is on Twitter, then we can start to determine, what are some of the best products that we could sell to that audience. Primarily, it's going to be a younger audience. A lot of people like me on Twitter, you got a lot of 20 to 30-year-olds, I would say. Once you get past 30, I'd say 35 plus is going to be a very small portion of Twitter. And so that makes it a little bit harder to sell products. When we're on Facebook or Instagram or even Pinterest, there's an older demographic on those platforms. And older people, for the most part, are going to have more money. Maybe they have full-time jobs, disposable income, and they're definitely in the position to buy our affiliate products. That being said, there are still products that we can promote to 20 to 30-year-olds. And I would just keep that in mind as our main demographic. Another thing about this audience is Twitter is not a very serious place. It's kind of chaotic. A lot of, humorous posts, a lot of funny things. Even political debates or anything like that. So it can definitely be a chaotic place. So finding a good way to slide your ads in there is going to help you in the long run. So now let's talk about some of the products that might do well on Twitter ads. Some of the things that I've seen advertised on Twitter are e-commerce type products, and there are e-commerce affiliate products. Different affiliate networks may have a category just for e-commerce products, and that works out really well for us. One thing that might be perfect is products for someone's pet, or subscription boxes would also be another one. So I'll use an offer on Max Bounty as an example, and the offer is BarkBox. It's essentially a monthly subscription, and they'll send you different dog toys and dog treats. And the thing is, people in their late 20s, these millennials, they're in love with their dogs. There's tons of content on Twitter about dogs, and trust me, people love their dogs. If they have the opportunity to spoil their pets, they're definitely going to take you up on that opportunity. These products aren't really that expensive. They might be $20 to $30 a month. You'll either get a flat commission up front, or you'll get a recurring commission every single month, which is even better because now you have this passive income. Essentially, you sold someone a product once, and you can get paid for it over and over and over again. Those are some of the things that I would definitely keep in mind when you're setting up your Twitter ads. Moving forward, I have here that's like more of a text-based platform. So sure, there's visuals, you got videos and you got images that are going to show up on a lot of tweets. But then again, you have another huge section of tweets which are just text. This is really the exact opposite of a platform like Pinterest or Instagram, which are solely images and videos. So you want to do your best to just kind of blend in with the content that would normally be on a person's Twitter feed. And while I would definitely recommend adding images into your ads, don't go overboard with them. Don't be posting like these high quality Instagram worthy photos, because it just won't fit in that well on the platform. So once people click on your ads, where are we going to send them? Send them straight to a landing page. Some of the best landing pages that you can send them to would be an advertorial. So if you're selling that BarkBox product, you could set up a landing page that is pretty much an article that tells them all about what they can expect out of their BarkBox subscription. You can show them previous BarkBoxes, what people received in them, and if you can include a nice cute video that has someone's dog opening up some of these new toys and new treats for the first time, I think that could go a long way. Other kinds of landing pages that you could do would be just a simple quiz. Do you have a dog? How often do you give them treats? Ask them those 2 questions. After they answer them, then you can send them straight up to the product. Finally, you could also, collect email subscribers or gather chatbot subscribers, Facebook chatbot subscribers. And if you can get these people on a list, then you can remarket different kinds of dog products all the time. In terms of targeting, I would say that it's pretty much on par with Pinterest. Maybe Pinterest is a little bit better. You can be pretty specific with how you want to target your Twitter ads, and you can even target certain keywords that show up in their tweets. So if they're constantly tweeting about dogs, then you'll be able to target just those people with your BarkBox ads. My number 1 recommendation for how to test out your Twitter ads is have a bunch of different creatives. You never know what's going to resonate the best with your audience, so have a bunch of different images and videos. So if you're doing that BarkBox offer, then you can do a video of the dog opening up the packages, or you could do an image of just the box itself. Test out these different creatives and see what's going to resonate the best with that audience. On to my verdict, Twitter ads definitely has the potential to make $100 a day. You just have to be a little bit smarter about how you're creating your ads and the message that you're tailoring towards this younger demographic. You're definitely not going to be selling the same exact kind of products that you would sell on Facebook or on Pinterest. And this definitely might require a little bit more testing because there's not as much information about Twitter ads as there is available for other ad platforms. But I 100% think it's worth a try. And if you do give it a try, let me know down in the comments how your Twitter ads go. And I hope they work out great for you. That's going to do it for this one though. I just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.